Harvesting is going on. I want to show you the first phase, and you can look at this man, how he really harvests the sugar cane. See? And that comes as finished product for him. See how quick he is. And this is how he collects the sugar cane. नाव काय रे तुझं? नाव सांग. शंकरराव. तुमचं कॅमेऱ्यामध्ये आलं बरं का. कर कर पुढे तोड, तू तोडायचे दाखवायचंय. तुझे फटाफटा तोडतोय दाखवतोय ना तू. And this is harvesting. This is his wife. तुम्ही दाखवा जरा, एक मुळी बांधून दाखवा. मुळी बांधून दाखवा लोक पटापट. And this is the packing section for Arvind. This video is for Arvind basically. So how they pack, how they cut, you have seen now, but I would show you how they pack. You see now she is assembling the bundle, and bundle is being packed. I hope you could see the details, but and then these bundles will be loaded into the truck, and I would have another clip for the loading of the bundles. You see how she prepares the rope. This is all natural, and this is where India is leading the world for green country. We don't create lot of waste. This is all natural. It's all decomposable material. It's all produced on the farm. You see? Okay, that's done. And this is your pump house, and this is our farm, and these are the other people.